Hello ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today I'd like to show you our latest flagship product, the V60. Okay, this is the product. Welcome all brands representatives and dealers to come and ask questions. This product, the surface, covered with a touch of glass that as smooth as baby skin. And then, this is the 3D facial recognition camera. Fingerprint scanner. Okay, finally, this product features dual reason batteries, 2 continuous power supplies. This and this. Dual reason batteries, yes. Okay, thank you all for watching. See you next time.